Now to ITmate and the new law that allows people to carry a gun without a permit. Police in Indianapolis told ITmate they know people are illegally carrying guns, but there's little they can do about it. ITmate's Richard ESSEX reports.
There are 15 categories that would prohibit somebody from carrying a firearm in the state of Indiana, like a felony conviction or dishonorable discharge from the military. Now, some of the information is readily available to police while others are not. But without a state licensure program to vet who can legally carry a firearm, police are preparing for an influx of firearms in public spaces.
But the fact that we know that there's going to be a number of people that are carrying that really probably shouldn't, but there's not a whole lot we're going to be able to do about it. So just another part of being a cop.
Under the new permitless carry law, police just can't walk up to someone with a gun and make them prove that they are lawfully allowed to carry it. The law also creates some legal challenges.
I do think it does. So the question that I have are, what are we going to do with people who are currently pending in the justice system with permit violations? Are we going to let those individuals off the hook? It makes little sense to go after them for a permitting system violation when the permitting system itself no longer exists as defined by the legislature. But yet at the same time, perhaps these are people who should not be able to carry a firearm, and that raises different issues.
As of right now, there is not a central database accessible to police at a moment's notice with the names of people prohibited from carrying a firearm. IMPD Chief Randall Taylor told me that in the course of an investigation involving a firearm, police will have to conduct a limited background check.
Things like being dishonorably discharged from the military, I don't know that we'd have easy access to that. There's some things that have to do with convictions of domestic violence and those kind of things, people convicted of stalking and those kind of things. Those are ones that we may have to research before we make that arrest.
During the permitless carry debate in the last General Assembly, Indiana State Police Superintendent Doug Carter told lawmakers state police denied more than 10,000 carry license applications in a 2-year period. Under the new law, anyone over the age of 18 that is considered a proper person, as defined by Indiana law, can freely carry a firearm. How police determine who meets that qualification could be a challenge.
And I would say that there's going to be a celebratory atmosphere. I would say that it's going to take a little while before individuals who believe that they are not proper individuals try to carry. And it's going to be interesting to see how police ascertain who is a proper person and how this affects police safety.
The new law does provide for added penalties for violation of the law. In Indianapolis, Richard ESSEX, Wish TV, ITmate.